Now we're talking. I had a client of mine who gave me a call and say, "Hey, look, I need your help. I have these chairs that needs to be fixed because I need it for a program." I'm like, "Bet, bring it over." So she brought it over. These four chairs needs to be fixed. Hell yeah. The upholstery needs to be done, but also there were two major stuff that need to be fixed. That broken stuff and also the backrest. So this is my journey on how I fix this stuff for her. The back needs major repairs, but this is how I fix the backrest. I know I'm gonna get a lot of complaint and you should not fix that. Well, yeah, this is how I fixed it. So stay with me. Let's go through this journey and let's see how the final product or the final reaction. Let's go. Now, the $1,000,000 question, is it strong enough to hold? Yeah, I think it's pretty strong enough. I think I did a pretty good job. Now I just gotta wind it up, and stay tuned for part 2 with the upholstery.